Say good morning. Why Lovey, how was your skating experience?
It's good. Remind me of skiing.
Are you a pro or what?
No, I enjoyed it though.
Yeah. This guy's singing?
The dancing.
They're dancing?
gosh,
Cute couple alert.
romantic. Cute couple.
Oh my god.
Dancing.
We're walking to get some food. We finished our ice skating.
Oh my god, pink.
Pink Christmas tree. So beautiful. I think I need that.
She's a dragon. Dragon?
Yeah. Imaginary. Okay guys, we're back home now. We had a very eventful night. We went ice skating and we went to dinner and we were trying to see the Snowflake Lane parade in Bellevue, but we missed it because we were eating dinner. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I think we're gonna watch The Grinch pretty soon. Clover missed me. Wants to smell me where I've been. Did you enjoy ice skating, honey?
I loved it.
Yeah? Did you enjoy dinner?
Yeah. Amazing.
Are you ready to watch The Grinch soon?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I love ya.
Love you too.
Are you ready for this? Have you ever seen this? Alright. Let's do this thing. It's midnight. Our fire alarm's going off. I don't see a fire. I don't smell a fire.
Slower. Come here.
But we're gonna go check it out. The good news is we were
Come on.
already awake. Okay, it has officially stopped, so we're all good. We didn't have to take Clover. Clover, were you scared? She hated that. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Bye.